In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wispr Flow in Antigravity. Wispr Flow is a simple voice-to-text tool that types wherever your cursor is, and Antigravity is the app where you'll be entering your text. The whole idea is to talk instead of type, and let your words appear directly in any text box inside Antigravity, just like you used a keyboard. First, make sure Wispr Flow is running on your computer. Open the app so it's active, then let it sit in the background. It doesn't need to be front and center to work. If you see a small icon in your system tray or menu bar, that's a good sign it's ready. Microphone access must be allowed for it to hear you. If you're prompted the first time, click Allow. If you've previously denied access, quickly revisit your system privacy settings and enable microphone permissions for Wispr Flow so it can capture your voice clearly. Now, let's use it inside Antigravity. Open Antigravity and navigate to any place you can type. This could be a chat window, a search bar, a document editor, or any other text field. Click into that field so the cursor is active and blinking. This tells your computer where the text should go. Position matters here because Wispr Flow will type exactly where that cursor sits, just like a keyboard would. On Windows, the default hotkey is Control plus the Windows key. Press and hold both keys, then speak clearly and at a natural pace. Keep holding the hotkey while you talk. When you're done with your phrase or sentence, release the keys. As soon as you let go, your spoken words convert to text and appear right in Antigravity. If you need punctuation, say it as you speak, like comma, period, or new line, and keep your phrases concise for best accuracy. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Make sure background noise is minimal so your microphone can pick up your voice cleanly, and face your mic when you speak. If nothing shows up after you release the hotkey, double check that your cursor is still in the text field, confirm you're holding both Control and the Windows key together, and verify that Wispr Flow is still running with microphone access enabled. That's all there is to it. Open Wispr Flow, allow the mic, click any text field in Antigravity, hold Control and the Windows key, speak, release, and watch your words appear exactly where you need them. With a little practice, you'll move faster than typing and keep your hands free for everything else.